how do I add shelves to my rack diagram? Okay, so we'll have a quick look at the rack and we'll see how that works. The answer is quite simple, really. We have here some things in our topology diagram. Let's just jump over to our rack diagram, and we'll see that those same devices from the topology are here, ready to go into a rack. If you follow this instruction here, the turquoise bubble that says add rack, simple as that, one click and you get a rack. By the way, the rack, you can adjust the height of it very easily, and when you drag devices in, you can adjust the height of those devices very easily. So if you need a shelf or some kind of reserved space in the rack, there's a tool right here near the top left. This is the rack container tool. If I click just once on there, then I can come in here and set a space. So this maybe 4U tall might be a shelf, an area to put smaller devices, and let's say, for example, I'll just grab what I have here, this antenna. I can bring that in, I can resize it, and just like that. So this tool, once again, the rack container tool, gives you that ability to create a space where you can put smaller devices.